Bathroom Division of Guangdong, Kinlong Precision Manufacturing Co Limited. S can produce different series of shower rooms and matched hardware products. Today, welcome to Kinlong Precision Bathroom Division to experience the continuous development momentum of the enterprise. The shower room division has strong product research and development capabilities, developing various products for different scenarios every year and attaining multiple patents. Based on the customized needs of customers, develop corresponding product and technology application plans, continuously improve service quality and efficiency, and provide strong support for the sustainable development of the enterprise. To ensure product quality and user safety, the laboratory has various testing equipment required by relevant international and domestic standards and strictly tests according to the standards. The testing items include the strength and sealing test of the shower room, as well as the testing such as glass, hinges, faucets, floor drains, showers, etc. To ensure product quality consistency and timely delivery of orders, the shower room division has invested heavily in building an automated production line for related parts. Glass processing, according to the drawing requirements, using automated equipment to cut the glass, using grinding wheels to polish the edges on both sides of the glass, automatically chamfer, drill holes, and clean. Glass door hinge processing, from automatic cutting, automatic stamping, automatic drilling, automatic deep processing, automatic welding, to automatic polishing, ultrasonic automatic cleaning. Production efficiency is high and quality can be fully guaranteed. Human profile processing, automatic cutting of raw materials, automatic drilling, automatic polishing, and strict production according to requirements in each process. The shower room division has professional project managers who visit the site to survey the house type, measure dimensions, confirm the plan in a timely manner, complete the installation on schedule, shorten project delivery time, optimize engineering installation services, and wait until the customer acceptance. We adhere to the core values of respecting science, striving for coexistence, win-win, promoting continuous innovation, pursuing sincerity and trustworthiness, with a stable, pragmatic, and efficient work style, providing cost-effective shower rooms and bathroom hardware products to customers, and win the market with high-quality services